Here's how to save your video on CapCut PC. So, in this tutorial, I'm going to exactly show you how you can save a video on CapCut. So, make sure you stick around till the end to exactly know what to do. So, I'm just going to open up CapCut. So, here, as you can see that I have a video right over here, and it's unfiltered and it's not been edited. So, let me just add a few text to it just so I can basically make it edited. So I'm just going to type in saved video. And here we go. Just going to make it a little bit darker. So yeah. So this is our video now, and pretty much we have this video and we need to save it. So what you can do basically is just basically press on this option of export right over here, right? So if you press on this option, you'll see some options. First one is the name. So you basically gotta name the video. So it could be anything. So it was a 118 before. So you can just type in edited or anything like that. And after that, you'll see the option of export to. So this is basically the option where you gotta save your video. So my video basically goes to download. So if you want to select a specific folder, just go ahead and press on this PC and you can just go ahead and directly save your videos anywhere you would like to. So yeah, once you've selected your specific folder, you can also tweak the video resolution settings. So if you have recorded the video in, let's say, 4K and this resolution is 1080, so you can also go for the 4K options right over here. And once you go for 4K, you can just basically press on the bitrate. So if you want the bitrate higher, lower, or you can also customize the bitrate as well, or you can just go ahead with the use the recommended settings. And then you got the codec. I would suggest to leave the codec to H.264. And then you got the format. We basically need an MP4. It's up to you if you want MOV. And then the frame rate. So if you want 60 FPS, so you can just go ahead and use it. But if this video has been recorded on 30 FPS, I would suggest using 30. So yeah, you can just tweak all these settings. Go ahead and do that. So I'm just gonna let it 1080p, and then it will show you the duration of the video and size over here. So you can just go ahead and press on export over here, and the video is already exported. So if I press the folder to be opened, which I can directly over here, and here as you can see, this is my edited video. So if I go ahead and open it, it has some audio inside it that I can play. But yeah, this is pretty much it on how you can save a video on CapCut PC. So I hope this video actually helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until then, goodbye and peace out.